Yo fellas, ready to step up your style game and unlock a world of versatile hair fashion? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into braid hairstyle ideas for men. Braids are more than just a trend, they are a powerful statement of style, culture, and self-expression. Get ready to discover fresh looks that are both cool and comfortable. Let's look at some popular braid styles for men. Cornrows. From classic straight backs that look clean and sharp to intricate designs and patterns that weave across the scalp, cornrows offer endless artistic possibilities. Box braids. These classic individual braids come in various sizes and lengths, allowing for styles like hanging braids or pulled back into a sophisticated man bun or ponytail. Twists. Two-strand twists are a great alternative, giving a softer, more textured look that can also be styled up or down. Many of these can be perfectly paired with a sharp fade or undercuts for a modern, edgy finish. Now, let's talk about keeping those braids looking fresh and your hair healthy. Proper maintenance and care are key. Wash your scalp and braids with diluted shampoo every 1 to 2 weeks. Focus on the scalp to avoid buildup and gently squeeze water through the braids. Use a light leave-in conditioner or hair oil spray on your scalp and braids daily. This prevents dryness and keeps your hair nourished. Always cover your braids with a do-rag or satin bonnet before bed. This prevents frizz, keeps them neat, and extends their life. Braids usually last 4 to 8 weeks. Listen to your hair. If your edges feel too tight or your hair starts to lock, it's time to take them out and give your hair a break. So, if you're ready to embrace a style that is bold, versatile, and protective, braids for men are definitely your next move. Rock your look with confidence. Which braid style are you looking to try next? Tell me in the comments below. If this video gave you great ideas, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Umma Locks for more amazing hairstyle inspiration and idea. See you next time.